Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I am trying out a product that sounds perfect for my dry chapped lips today, and this is the Ciate London Lychee and Acai Burst Conditioning Lip Oil. So this is supposed to be non-tacky texture, a blend of acai and avocado oils and lychee extract. Ooh, delicately scented. I love a scented lip product. And it's supposed to give the hydration of a balm with the shine of a gloss without any stickiness, which to me sounds awesome. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and has a retail value of $16. The packaging on this is really nice. Let's see what the product itself looks like. Ooh, very cute. I like the pink color here. I am so excited to see what this is going to smell like. I love when my lip products, have a scent to them because that's just so nostalgic to me. Like growing up, collecting scented lip glosses was my thing. So let's see. Smelling it from the tube here, I'm actually not really getting a scent. Maybe once I apply it to my lips, which I am so excited to get this on my lips because, oh my gosh, my lips look so bad. They're so dry and chapped. Let's see if this can really moisturize and get rid of that chapped area on my skin. It's still like I'm not really getting a scent to this as much as I'm almost getting like a flavor. Not even like I can taste it on my tongue, but just like it has like a flavor to it. It's subtle. It's nice. Oh my gosh, the shine on this is so pretty. Such a high shine. Yeah, and not sticky. It is moisturizing my lips. The appearance of the dry, chapped lips is gone visibly. But as I'm rubbing my lips together, I can still feel a bit of the dry, chapped texture. So I'm trying to like really rub my lips together and work it in to see if it will actually deeply hydrate and get rid of the dry, chapped lips. And it's definitely helping, but I just think that texture is still there a little bit. Luckily, the shine is so high shine that you can't tell that my lips are chapped, but that's kind of like my test for a hydrating lip product is, does it actually get rid of the chapped texture to my lips? And while this improved it a lot, it didn't completely get rid of the chapped texture, which some other lip oils or lip balms, glosses in particular, really can actually get rid of the chapped area on my lips. But this is a bit more of just like a coating on top of it, which looks so nice with that shine. But I was expecting a bit more hydration than I'm getting. And it's going on just completely clear. The pink color I think is more just for like aesthetics for how it looks in the packaging. So all in all, I'm not super impressed by this. I think for $16, I would have to say that this is not worth that because I have products from the Dollar Tree that cost $1.25 that I think look better on my lips, are more hydrating on my lips than this one here. And it doesn't even have that much of like an amazing scent to it. Like I can't even get a scent to this either. So all of the qualities of this product that I was really looking forward to, like extremely moisturizing, a great scent, just kind of let me down for this product. So unfortunately, this was not a very successful product review for me, but now I know. If you are considering this and spending $16 on it, like I said, I think you could spend that money differently on products that would be better. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this if you have tried it out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video.